Introduce highlight features and overview of Horgelu 2-in-1 heat press machine for t-shirts, shoes, bags, hats. 7x3.8 inch easy press portable heat transfer machine. 500 watt mini easy iron press machine. Small HTV vinyl projects for DIY works. Blue. Let's take a look at what people who have bought or used to mention how it is. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Horgelu mini heat press machine with 7x3.8 inch is perfect for small and unusual projects or unique heat transfer projects, suitable for personalized patterns on the surface of t-shirts, clothing, hats, handbags, masks, socks, dolls, phone case, pillow, etc. It is the ideal tool to make DIY works for craftsmen, students, and housewives and more. With FCC, CE, RoHS, and UL certificate, this mini heat press machine is comply with USA safety standards. It will automatically turn off after 30 minutes if no operation to keep safe, and the little longer time can avoid taking time to restart the machine. The heat press machine has 3 heat settings to meet your all different heat transfer demands. Low temperature, 284 degrees Fahrenheit 140 degrees Celsius, suitable for vinyl sticker paper. Medium temperature, 329 degrees Fahrenheit 165 degrees Celsius, suitable for heat transfer film. High temperature, 365 degrees Fahrenheit 185 degrees Celsius, suitable for thermal transfer paper. This heat press machine can heat up at 3 to 5 minutes, the green light will flash to constant green. When you set the heating level and gently press it on the transfer film for about 25 to 30 seconds, it comes out with the DIY design on your t-shirt. Except for DIY heat transfer, the Horgelu heat press machine can also be used as an iron. Set a suitable heating mode, iron out the wrinkles in your clothes. Spray a small amount of water in your clothes and then press the HTV project into it. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.